You can make your engine roar like it's fresh off the showroom floor with just a few simple tricks. Stick with me. I'm about to share 5 game-changing tips that'll have your car running smoother, saving gas, and turning heads. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Clean or replace your air filter regularly. Your engine needs air to perform, just like you need air to run a marathon. The air filter is its first line of defense, catching dust, dirt, and debris before they gunk up your engine. But when it's clogged, your engine chokes. Think sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and a grumpy ride. Why it matters. A clean air filter keeps the air flowing for perfect combustion. Fun fact, your engine gulps down about 10,000 gallons of air for every gallon of gas. That's a ton of air and a ton of potential dirt if you're not careful. A dirty filter can cut your fuel efficiency by up to 10%, costing you more at the pump. How to do it? Step 1. Locate the air filter box. It's usually a black plastic case near the engine. Check your manual if you're unsure. Step 2. Open it up. Undo the clips or screws and lift the lid. Step 3. Inspect the filter. Hold it up to light. If it's dark and filthy, it's time for a swap. If it's just dusty, you might clean it. Step 4. Clean, if reusable. Use compressed air to blow dirt out from the inside, gently, so you don't rip it. Step 5. Replace if needed. Grab a new one, under $20 at most auto stores, pop it in, and secure the box. Extra value. Check it every 10,000 miles, or sooner if you drive on gravel roads or in dusty areas. A clean filter doesn't just save gas, it extends your engine's life by keeping harmful grit out. Plus, doing it yourself skips the $50 mechanic fee. You'll feel like a pro in under 10 minutes. Tip number 2. Change your engine oil and use the right kind. Engine oil is your car's VIP, very important protector. It lubes up all those moving parts, keeping them cool and friction-free. But old, dirty oil turns into a gritty mess, wearing down your engine faster than you'd like. Why it matters. Fresh oil reduces heat and wear, but the right oil grade is just as key. Check your owner's manual for the perfect match. Using the wrong one, like too thick oil, can bog down your engine and waste fuel. Here's a gem. Synthetic oil is worth the upgrade. It flows better in extreme weather, fights sludge, and can boost your mileage by 2 to 3%. How to do it? Step 1. Warm up the engine. Drive for 5 minutes to loosen the oil. Step 2. Lift the car. Use jacks and stands, safety first. Step 3. Drain the old oil. Place a pan under the drain plug, remove it, and let it flow. Step 4. Swap the filter. Unscrew the old oil filter and pop on a new one. Dab oil on the gasket first. Step 5. Refill. Pour in the recommended oil, usually 4 to 6 quarts, via the dipstick. Tube.extra value. Change it every 5,700 miles or sooner for city driving or towing. Neglect this, and you're risking sludge buildup. Think of it as engine cholesterol that can lead to a $1,000 repair bill. Bonus tip: keep a quart of oil in your trunk for emergencies. You'll thank me later. Tip number 3. Use fuel injector, cleaner. Fuel injectors are your engine's precision sprayers, delivering gas in a fine mist for max power. But cheap gas or long drives can leave them clogged with carbon, turning that mist into a weak dribble. The result? Rough idling, weak acceleration, and a gas tank that empties too fast. Why it matters. Clean injectors mean efficient combustion. More power, less waste. Clogged ones can drop your fuel economy by 5 to 10% and even trigger a check engine light. Fun fact, a single clogged injector can misfire enough to waste a gallon of gas every 100 miles. How to do it? Step 1. Pick a cleaner. Go for a trusted brand like check your manual for compatibility. Step 2. Start with a low tank. Under half full is ideal for mixing. Step 3. Pour it in. Add the whole bottle to your gas tank. Most treat 15 to 20 gallons. Step 4. Top. Off. Fill your tank with fresh fuel to blend it. Step 5. Drive normally. Let it work over the next 50-100 miles. Extra value. Do this every 3,000 miles for prevention, or right away if your car feels off. It's not just about performance. Cleaner injectors cut emissions, making your ride greener. I once revived a sputtering old sedan with this trick. It went from coughing to cruising in a day. Hang on. If these tips are revving you up, hit that like button and subscribe to WikiWheels for more car-saving hacks. Tip number 4. Clean or replace your throttle body. The throttle body is your engine's air gatekeeper, controlling how much air flows in when you hit the gas. But over time, it gets coated in sticky carbon, like a dusty old window that won't open right. That means choppy idling, sluggish response, and wasted fuel. Why it matters. A clean throttle body keeps air moving smoothly. Picture this. A dirty one looks black and grimy. A clean one shines like new. A gunked-up throttle can sap 5 to 10% of your horsepower. Ouch! How to do it? Step 1. Find it. It's between the air intake and engine. Look for a metal piece with a butterfly valve. Step 2. Disconnect the air hose. Loosen the clamp and pull it off. Step 3. Unplug sensors. Gently detach any wires. Take a pick first to remember where they go. Step 4. Clean it. Spray throttle body cleaner on the valve and walls. Wipe with a cloth or soft brush. Step 5. Reassemble. Let it dry. Reconnect everything. And idle the car for a minute. Extra value. Do this every 20,000 miles, or sooner if your car hesitates. Caution. Don't overspray near sensors, or you'll be shopping for replacements. This DIY fix can save you $100+ at a shop, and the smooth throttle response feels like a mini upgrade. Tip number 5. Clean your mass airflow sensor. The DMAF sensor is your engine's air detective, measuring airflow to balance fuel delivery. When it's dirty, it's like a foggy brain, sending bad data that throws off your engine's rhythm. Expect poor power, rough idling, or even stalling. Why it matters. A clean MAF keeps your air-fuel mix perfect. A dirty one can trick your engine into running too rich, wasting gas, or too lean, losing power. Fun fact, a bad MAF can cost you 10 to 15% in fuel efficiency. How to do it? Step 1. Cool the engine. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Step 2. Unhook the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal for safety. Step 3. Locate the MAF. It's in the air duct near the filter. Step 4. Remove it. Unplug and unscrew it gently. Clean it. Use MAF sensor cleaner. 10 to 15 sprays on the wires. Don't touch them. Step 6. Dry and reinstall. Wait 10 minutes, then put it back. Extra value. Check it every 15,000 miles. Or if your car feels sluggish with the check engine light. Warning. Use only MAF-specific cleaner. Other sprays can ruin it. Cleaning saves you $200+ versus replacing it. And the instant power boost is pure satisfaction. There you have it. 5 killer tips to make your engine run like a dream. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one worked best, or share your own tricks. I'm all ears. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe to Weeky Wheels, and grab that free checklist below. Share this with a buddy who needs a smoother ride. Spread the love. Next time, we'll teaser for next video. Drive smart, and I'll see you soon.